Chris's Tech Channel. I am your host, Chris, obviously. I hope everybody's been doing well. I've been busy going through some upgrades with my company's software and upgrading our customers for a little bit, so I've been busy, so I haven't really had a chance to make some videos. So I'm jumping back on to talk the continuation of the iMac series. This is my third video talking about the iMac, okay? And I'm having a lot of fun with it. My work has been efficient. And the funny thing is, I know I got my two TVs figured out. I haven't used them for the last few days because it's so big. I've been able to be pretty productive just with just my work and stuff like that. Also, plus, I haven't gotten any new mounts, so it's been a little difficult because I don't want to have to constantly look up. So I'm still working on that. And I also might have to look into getting a new stand-up that's motorized, because if I end up getting clamp on mounts for the TVs onto the desk, it's gonna be a little tricky to try to lift and hold the two TVs in case the clamps are not that good. So I'm also looking into getting the articulated arm from coming off the wall. So it's been a progress, and I've been busy with doing some testing for our company. So I was like, you know what, I better hold off on the research and focus on trying to get some work done before I get into doing this iMac stuff. I love this computer. It's a lot of fun. I love doing this kind of stuff. So, anyway, so I've been doing a little bit of messing around, to cover a couple of these things. So that will help you determine what programs to get rid of, how to know when to get rid of them, because basically this is an ARM architecture on this iMac. So a lot of programs out there that were Intel based, so you ended up having to get rid of those, or at least wait for an upgrade from that company to allow the ARM architecture to work. So I'm pretty sure that's coming soon for a lot of companies, because let's face it, once Apple does something, a lot of the companies upgrade their stuff pretty quickly just to handle the ARM architecture. So we'll keep an eye out for that. So I'm going to discuss a little bit about the Parallel Desktop software a little bit too. So you can ignore that little notification. With that in mind, let's talk a little bit about going into Finder and looking at your application list. So let's take a look. So let's move this over here. Alright, now you got your little Finder window open, okay? And you'll see your list of programs and stuff like that, okay? I purposely left some old programs down here so you could see what I'm looking at, trying to figure out which program I should be getting rid of, which program is it going to be work. Now, as you can see, I have some old Adobe programs that I never gotten rid of ever since I got the MacBook Pro. I never needed to worry about it because the programs weren't that big. So it's like, I'm going to worry about it. I'm going to end up getting rid of them anyway because I don't use them. Because I have some better programs that do some of the stuff that I want to do. And plus, Flash is pretty much phased out now. So if I click on that, don't open the program obviously. You see that little symbol right here? That's up, bang. It basically means that it's not going to work on the machine because it's an Intel-based machine, Intel-based program. So you kind of have to it gotta go bye-bye. So, and it's not supported on an ARM architecture machine. So, you can basically just right-click on the file and delete the sucker. So which is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to and put in your password, and boom, it's gone. Okay, so that makes life easy, and that's all you have to do. But obviously, if you see something like this, if you see no picture in the middle, it's gonna work. So it's pretty much safe there. So anyway, that's pretty easy. So you'll be able to determine what program to remove, or if you wanted to hang on to them and see if there's an upgrade for that machine, for that program, then you can see if it'll upgrade. But I believe that you're gonna pretty much have to buy the new software because it's an ARM-based machine, or it will somehow force that. If you bought the program through the App Store, it'll automatically update. If you still have it on your machine, it'll looking at how you got this program. Let me update it with the new architectural instructions, basically. So hopefully that'll do it for a lot of the programs. But for me, I don't have a lot of old Intel-based programs because everything is good. So anyway, to that. Okay. Now I want to talk a little bit about Palo Alto Desktop software. So I open that. When you go into install, this is for my work. We're not going to open that right now. So open the control center, or when you start it for the first time, it'll bring up this screen. To add another virtual machine, you're going to add that. And it's going to give you this information about Macs with the M1 chip. It's basically telling you that it's the ARM architecture and the limitation that you have. If you haven't Palo Alto Desktop software on your Intel-based Mac, you're not going to be able to use those existing virtual machine on this Mac because of the ARM architecture. So, and it basically was created with, and also, it's not possible to create a new virtual machine using an Intel 86-based operating installer. So, you're going to end up having to get an installer that has a VHDX extension or an ISO image that had an ARM-based operating system. So, and if you click on learning more about learn more about this, click on that. It's gonna bring you up to this page here. Okay? It's gonna give you instructions on how to install Windows or Linux on a Mac with an Apple M1 chip and use a Palo Alto Desktop software. So it will tell you how to get in the Windows Installer program so you can download the preview version of Windows 10 Pro. And with that in mind, when you go to download it, you want to make sure that when you see that download progress, it's downloading 9 gigabytes of data. You do not want anything less than that because that's the wrong image you want to get to install Windows 10 onto your Palo Alto Desktop software. Now, I will say a lot of the antivirus and stuff like that, it's not ARM-based yet for a lot of Windows machines with this version, but that will change eventually. But for now, I have a lot of protection with, in addition to antivirus software that I have installed on the Mac that should protect the Windows 10. And I don't do a lot of stuff to worry about, being affected with the work that I do, because we have pretty good strong security on that side too, so it'll prevent any problems there. So, so that looks good. It's pretty secure. So, with that in mind, you'll follow the instructions to install it and stuff like that, and you're good to go. Now, you will also have the option to download these Linux. It will tell you, it will install the proper images and stuff like that, how to use Linux. I am not a Linux user, so I am not familiar with that, because I'm pretty much new to Mac and Windows, and that's it. If you ever get to decide, my company ever decide to go build a Mac version of our program, I will pretty much dish Windows, except probably not, because I'll probably have to test with Windows 2 because I'm a software tester. So, but the other company I work for uses that software, so if you ever get a Mac version, that work will be on the Mac version, not on Windows. So, but with this new upgrade, it really doesn't matter because it's pretty quick, it's pretty cool. So I will show you that in another video, how my Windows work and all that. So that's why I pretty much wanted to talk to you about how to install a virtual machine, as well as how to determine how to find out which program should be deleted and stuff like that. So all in all, I've been having fun with it. There's a lot more I can probably do. I haven't really covered yet. Cause again, I've been busy with trying to get our customer upgraded to the latest version of our software, and so it's been fun. The fun for the last couple of days messing with that, and it also made my work pretty efficient because it's pretty quick. So I'm very excited to be messing with it some more. So that's another short and sweet video. I'm hoping I'll do more over the weekend or possibly next week now that things are starting to slow down a little bit. And we could start talking about some other stuff besides the iMac. But right now, the iMac is just too cool to stop talking about it. So, and another cool thing though, I have the iPhone XR. Well, I got to go with my father today to help him upgrade to his phone because he dropped his phone and cracked it. So we'll leave that alone there. So that's that. He got the iPhone 12. He got not the mini, he got the 12. And it's really nice. I got responsive. I don't have my own. I will eventually get my own, but I'll probably get the iPhone 12 Pro Max because it's a little bigger and it's a little more powerful, and I can do a lot more stuff with it. So I'm looking forward to getting that. So, but on that note, we are going to leave the room and have a good weekend. Yeah, I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you subscribe so we can continue this journey. This video can get better and better. This channel can get better and better. We're going to have a whole lot of fun. It's not even fun. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will talk to you next time. Peace out.